Hello. In this video, we're going to see a problem from geometry. Let us first read the problem. In the figure, a shaded polygon which has equal sides and equal angles is partially covered with a sheet of blank paper. If x plus y equals 80, how many sides does the polygon have? This is a little difficult problem, but once we understand the concept, it's very easy to solve it. Let's see how we can solve this problem. There are many formulas and facts about a polygon and a quadrilateral, all those things, a triangle, all those information is needed to solve this problem. So let's go through this one by one and I'll give you those formulas or properties that we need to remember to solve this problem. First, let's see what they have given. They have given a shaded polygon which has equal sides and equal angles. So first we need to understand what is a polygon. Polygon is a closed shaped figure. It can be of n sides with n angles, but it's a closed shape. So for example, this is a polygon, but we call this a triangle. This is a polygon, we call this a square. This is a polygon, we call this a rectangle. But all these polygons have some properties. So that is what we are going to use in this. This is a polygon, that's what they have given. They haven't given how many sides this polygon has. For example, this polygon has 4 sides. And the inner angles, each one obviously we know it's 90. So 90 times 4, it's 360. The inner angles of a polygon. In this case, it is a rectangle of 4 sides. So this is one concept we are going to use to solve this problem. Okay. So first let's see what they have given here. They have given that this polygon has equal sides and equal angles. So we don't know how many sides and how many angles are there, but the only information we know is they are equal. So the polygon will be formed in some shape, but the angles are all same. Plus the sides are all of equal length. So those are the two information that is given. So where is this polygon in this picture? Here we see the polygon here. So we are seeing only this portion of this polygon. So what does this mean? The angle here are all of same. So here we call this angle Z. So this will also be Z because of this property or whatever is given in the problem statement. They are of equal angle. Now, if you just look at this figure, this is a quadrilateral. And one of the property of a quadrilateral is the sum of the inner angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Because if you look at it, it is of 4 sides, and any polygon with 4 sides, the sum of the interior angle will be 360. So if you see what are the angles they have given here, it's x plus y plus z plus z. That will be equal to 360 because of the sum of the interior angles. Now we can simplify this as x plus y plus 2z equals 360. But in the problem they are given x plus y is 80. So we can substitute 80 here. So we get 2z equals 360 minus 80, which will be 280. So when you divide both sides by 2, you will get z equals 140. So we know that the polygon, each side is 140. But we don't know how many angles and how many sides are there. But we know that each one is 140. Now, to find the number of sides of a polygon, or if we know the number of sides of a polygon, we can find the sum of the interior angle. That comes with the formula n minus 2 times 180. This will be the sum of interior angles of a polygon with n as the number of sides. You can apply n for, let's say for triangle, the n would be 3. So the sum of the interior angle will be 3 minus 2 times 180, which is equal to 180. That is how you get that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. And that for a side of 4 would be 360. How do you get that? Substitute n equals 4. So you'll get 4 minus 2, which will be 2. 2 times 180, which will be 360. So if we know this total sum, 360, how do you find each angle? You divide it by the number of sides. In this case, you divide it by 4, you will get 90. Or for triangle, you divide by 3, you will get 60, which is the sides. So in this case, if I want to find one of the angle here, which is z, that will be equal to n minus 2 times 180 by n. But we just solved z as 140. So we just replace it here. So you will get 140 equals n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Now using cross multiplication, you get 140n equals 180n minus 360. Now move this here and bring this and then swap. So you get 180n minus 140n equals 360, or 40n equals 360. Divide both sides by 40, you'll get n equals 9. So n is nothing but the number of sides of that polygon, which is 9. You look at the answer choice, that matches with B. So that's the correct answer. And that's how we solve this problem. Even though this problem looks really hard, once we know these properties which I discussed in this, we'll be able to solve this problem easily. That's how we solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.